everyone! So I actually woke up a few hours ago and I went to the gym. So the W's gym is actually 24 hours and it's actually really nice. A lot of hotels, they don't really get the gym part correct. Sometimes there's not enough AC, the lighting isn't good, the equipment is not varied enough, but the W actually have done a really good job with their gym. They've got a whole set of dumbbells and barbells as well. A lot of hotels don't actually have a barbell selection. They've got a few machines, cardio equipment, and it's just a really nice, spacious, bright space with good air conditioning. I've been to many hotel gyms where the air conditioning just doesn't really work very well, and it's just so hard to like get to work out properly when the room isn't properly air conditioned. So I actually really enjoyed my workout this morning. I've come back to my room, got changed, and I'm gonna go downstairs to check out the W breakfast. So let's go see what they got. So I made it down to breakfast, and breakfast is actually in the same place that I had lunch yesterday. So it's just downstairs, and they've laid out a whole section, and it's really nice. There's so many healthy options. The first section was like the salady section, where you've got like cereals and nuts, and then you open the fridge and they have all these different kinds of milks. They've got this amazing salmon inside there with some meats. Then you go around the corner and they've got like a detoxy juice section. Next is the eggs, which looks really good, and the meat, and then they have this whole Thai section as well with like Thai breakfast, and then at the end there is a dessert section. So the breakfast is really full on, and you can pretty much get whatever you want. I'm really excited to dig in. I've made a little concoction here with a bunch of different things from all of the different stands, so I'm gonna eat this. And yeah, and they've also provided an illy coffee, which is great because I haven't had a good cup of coffee in a few days, so I'm excited to start this breakfast. Good way to start the day. We've just ordered another breakfast, but I just wanted to order this to show you guys what you can actually do. You can actually order breakfast to the room, and they serve it in these trays which you can actually eat in the pool over there. So it's a really cool idea, and they have really funky trays as well. So I just want to go in there, get a little Instagram shot with this beautiful tray, and that's basically the plan. And then we're gonna head off to the next activity. But this is basically what's going on now. Let me show you this tray. Preparing it. How cool is that?
Hit that jive jack, put it in pocket till I get back. I'm going downtown to see a man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand.
Alright, I think we got the shot. Now it's time to get ready because I have to go to the spa. So they put me in for a massage, and they actually have a really cool spa. Just wait and see. So I made it to the spa, and the first thing I'm going to do is actually go get changed. I'm going to go put a robe on, and then we're going to go upstairs to the thematical, which is basically like a sauna with a twist. It's so cool. I just had a look at it. I'll show you guys in a second. I'm just going to go get changed. Yay! So I just got to the Thai Mascal, and basically this is like a sauna with a twist, or an upgraded sauna. So there's coals inside, it's extremely hot, they play music, and it's just supposed to relax your muscles before your massage. So I'm gonna go inside now, and I'm actually wearing this traditional Thai sarong. So this is what they give you to wear to go inside, and I'm gonna go in. So I will see you on the other side. Wow guys, that was amazing.
Anika.
This is Chef Ona, and we've actually just come down to the restaurant where I ate breakfast this morning and where I had lunch yesterday. And we're actually going to be doing a Thai cooking lesson. So what are we going to be cooking today?
Yeah, today we have a first menu. We have a green papaya salad in Thai, som tam.
Som tam.
Som tam. And this one. And the next menu is a panang salmon.
Panang salmon.
With okra.
With okra. Panang salmon with okra and papaya salad. I'm very excited to begin, so let's go!
Let's go.
It's like when you make the dish, it's sort of like you've finished editing a video and it's there, it's creative, you're presenting it. It is actually a form of art, like cooking. I've just realized you get the same satisfaction as, I get the same satisfaction as I would creating a video or making something cool as they would do creating a dish. So that was pretty fun. The end results. This is Chef On's version and this is my version. His is a little bit more red because he actually boiled the coconut milk and the chili a little bit longer, and mine's a little bit more milky because I boiled it less. But there we go. 2 of the dishes. I'm very excited to dig in. Mine definitely looks a little bit more messy. The reason I had this cooking class was because I was actually trying to make lunch for these guys. How is it? How does it all taste?
I love it. I love this one.
Have you ever had a friend make you this much food in your life? No.
No.
The answer is no. Alright guys, it's time to dig in. I'm going to switch this off now. Whoa! We just finished the cooking class and these guys took me to the Seascape Escape Villa. This place is absolutely huge. It's 4 bedrooms. There's 1 kitchen, 1 dining room, 1 living room over here. You've got a private pool, ocean views, and next month they're actually having this really cool festival, which I wish I was here for, but I'm not. And it's literally over the edge of the pool. So if you're staying here, you get like VIP viewing of that festival. It's absolutely amazing. Let me just show you guys around because I would love to be here with like 20 of my friends.
Please tell me, why did you leave? For me this will be a lesson. I will stop being so naive. I miss you every second.
Wow, how amazing was that villa? It was just absolutely incredible. I love doing villa tours like that. I love seeing what all the different hotels, what different types of accommodation they have and how they're designed, how they're laid out. It was really cool. Let me know if you guys enjoyed that too. I'd love to do more of those on my travels, especially if you guys like it. I've actually just came back to my room and I've just seen that they put this little thing on my bed and it says, "I hope to see you again." It's so cool. W just do all these really cool little things. Kind of hard to explain, but everywhere you go around the hotel and any experience that you're kind of engaged in, there's always something like just funky about it, which is why I love the W chain of hotels. So I've had a really amazing stay here and I'm back to my room early, which is quite good. I'm actually kind of glad the weather's a little bit stormy, which means I kind of get to enjoy this amazing room that they've given me because I haven't had time to really enjoy it yet. So I'm gonna probably end the vlog here, just chill in the room, go for a shower, maybe order some room service, do some editing and sort of just chill out for the night. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just gives you guys a little glimpse into what you can do at the W. And if you are in Koh Samui, I would definitely recommend, even if you don't stay at the hotel, I think you should, but if you are staying elsewhere, I definitely recommend you guys come down and check out Woo Bar for sunset drinks or even their afternoon tea, just so you can get a little taste of this place. So yeah, that is it from me today. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Add me on Instagram at at literally Anika, and I will see you guys in the next video.